Jonathan, we use all the money on the gas and we use all the money on the interest. What are we gonna eat now?
We are going to
Since we're not catching any fish,
Taco Bell.
but we don't got no money. We use everything on gas and coming in here.
I don't know. We're gonna go to.
We could just keep fishing and see if we catch anything. They're too small.
Like that, man.
By the time these are big enough to take the hook, people are gonna take it all. That's why there's no fish here.
Yeah.
We thought we were poor and we don't have food. Other people are even worse. Where do you think all the big fish are at? Or is there no big fish?
I think they're in the middle.
I think this entire place from left to right, there's no big fish. Huh? As far as we could see, there's no big fish.
Yeah.
You ready, Jonathan? Take off?
Yeah, let's go.
Okay, let me. This is the only place where we saw bigger fish. But they're still too small.
Yeah.